Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode of Mcdooby One's Kitchen. Alright, tonight we're going to be making these little sandwiches with mozzarella, tomato, and vinaigrette. For that, tonight you will be needing these items here. You will be needing some wishbone vinaigrette. Doesn't have to be that brand, anyways. 3 tomatoes, a baguette, and a block of mozzarella cheese. As you will see, I've already pre-cut my bread, some of it. You want to drizzle a little vinaigrette on each one of those to get them started. Then you put the cheese and then the tomato, and we'll show you as I go. Also tonight, I am preparing a fried pork chop. Lightly seasoned, pan-fried. Ooh, look at the steam come off of that. Wish y'all could smell that. Lightly seasoned with a little garlic, a little onion powder, a little lemon pepper. Alright guys, when they're all done, this is something what they should look like. Half those do not have vinaigrette on them, because I have somebody here that wants to try it without it. So that's how you do that, and then your pork chop should come out looking something like that. And I'll show you when it's all plated up. Alright guys. Alright guys, that's what it looks like when it's all plated up. It looks so damn yummy, don't it? Yum, yum, yummy in my tummy. Alright, guys. Have a nice fucking day, huh?